That gangster shit, nigga. Come on, check it out, nigga. Y'all niggas know about this. Yo, you know them gangsters come through and stick you for your chain, they insane. Quick to blow your motherfucking brains, like the pins on order. Word to the door to feel me black, that niggas wanna breathe. That niggas better squeeze or be left as memories. In fact, done is two things that I love, that's my balls and my gat. Who holding me down? Who got my back? No one. Holding me down, who got my back? Shit, my big guns, making you cowards run. Hit a bitch, all in your lungs, son, whack 'em. When I flashed on him, had his man turn the ass on him, cause the desi was pointed at his heady. These niggas ain't ready, done I dead crew. And got shit popping up on Channel 1 News. Who the fuck is these dudes? Niggas wanna fuck, who the fuck wanna screw? Reaching for my shit, ready to blast one. Doing tricks with the 187 mask on. Hold me down, your heart is low budget, son. You had one in the head, but you didn't pull it done. No time for fakeness, be the first and last mistake you ever fucking make, bitch. Come out and stop hiding. Deal with the pressure before I send hunger and guns to come get ya. Before foes and better, dumb-dumbs I bet ya. You won't even feel it when they kill ya, so watch your back, bitch. This is real, no games. Wanna play your games on me, wanna play. Don't you know I spray?